Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you new functionality in XPression BlueBox version 9.5 and higher, the ability to set the default video format. Now, BlueBox runs unattended, so what you're seeing here just looks like a plain old desktop, and that's fine because that's really what this is. To get to the BlueBox settings, and again, most of the time BlueBox will launch with Windows, but if it doesn't, you can kick that off. But when it does launch, it's in the taskbar. It might be in the tray. You might also find it in the hidden icons area, and I have it right here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose preferences. So when I choose preferences, I now get for BlueBox, the first preferences there is the default video format. And maybe I want it to be 1080i, maybe I want it to be 1080p. This is the what I would suggest be how your station's defining their video format. It may be related to any network affiliation or other affiliation that you have. But right now I'm going to tell my system I want it to always launch in its HDSDI 1080p 5994, and this will force that to happen. I also like to check do not create untitled project because I'm probably not in the creation process, especially in BlueBox. I'm generally going to be in a circumstance where I'm continually working on playing back graphics. The other choice to find out is if you want to load most recent project, and that depends. If you have a project server and a MOS workflow, you're going to load that with remote sequencer or rundown control. So that's where you would probably use that. If you're running this at the same time as everything else that you're doing, but it's, for example, only being controlled by the switcher, then you may want to turn load most recent project on. I'm going to turn it off for the case I need, and I'm going to click OK. And now this box, depending on how my hardware settings are set, will now launch in 1080p 5994.